everyone, and welcome to Neon Kandi channel. My name is Candace and I am the owner, creator, photographer, editor, and designer for Neon Kandi. I wanted to quickly just say hello and welcome to our channel. And on this channel you will see product development, application tips, makeup reviews, of course makeup tutorials, and my personal favorite recreation looks from either our squad members or trending beauty looks. With our products we have glitters, loose pigments, and my favorite, gloss. With our brand, I really wanted to encourage all types of engagement, and to connect with you all is something that I just really personally want to do, not just with the YouTube channel but also with all of our social media platforms. So thank you again for coming by and checking out our channel. Don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're notified whenever we drop a new video. And welcome to Neon Kandi.